Today we are making lemon pepper garlic chicken with pasta in my kitchen craft. This is a waterless, oilless, greaseless cookware. I bought the lemon pepper chicken from H-E-B. I'm adding garlic, onion powder, seasoned salt, and as you can see, I put the chicken in the pan, no oil, no fat, no water. Put the lid on, and when the lid starts to whistle, the chicken is ready to be flipped. Put the lid on for a second time. When it whistles, remove the chicken. Again, no oil, no water, no grease. Putting in my other two. This is a healthier style of cooking. You can also do this in Saladmaster and Steam-O-Matic and any oil core cookware. Now I'm pouring a little hot water in here to clean my pan out a little. You can clean your pan completely or you don't have to clean it at all. Adding in some chicken stock that I had in the freezer and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. You can use fresh, jarred, you can use garlic paste, whatever you like. And I'm going to melt that chicken stock down, and I'm going to add about a third of a box of your H-E-B pan size spaghetti into that 2 cups of chicken stock with garlic in it. Put the lid back on. When the lid whistles, take it off. I added some Parmesan cheese and about a teaspoon of lemon. Did not salt or pepper this. And off camera, I added another 1/4 cup of water because I wanted a little bit more in there. Replace the chicken, put the lid on, and turn it on to simmer for about 5 minutes. And then your lemon pepper chicken with Parmesan spaghetti is ready. You'll notice it does not stick to the pan. I did not add any butter, did not add any oil. And cleanup is a breeze. You like my little tongs? I like funny little gadgets. Hope you try this. Enjoy.